Kweti Mukum. I'm the counsel to the 5 persons that were arrested in Dunamis Church, 4th of June, right? Yes.
4th of July.
Yes. We just moved the application for their release this morning before the court, and the court graciously considered the application. He ordered the SSS to release the 5 persons arrested with immediate effect. Yes, we have application before the court to enforce their fundamental right to freedom from discrimination, to right to personal liberty, and all other rights that are incidental to the manner of the arrest, the way they have been detained, till now no access to lawyer, no access to family. We don't even know their whereabouts. So it's a combination of facts that we presented before the court to ask the court to enforce their rights. We are also asking for punitive damages against the respondents, alongside with the motion notice is the motion ex parte we file for the release of these persons, since we don't even know where they are and nobody is coming forward to even, we are not arraigning them before any court, like the normal impunity we witness every day, just took them away since that day. So I think the court considered this and ordered their immediate release from custody.
Okay.
The order is against the DSS.
Okay, and you have to follow it up
Yes,
immediately with the bail.
get the order out, serve it on them, possibly today or tomorrow morning.
So your
But
clients
we are
will
still here processing the order. Thanks so much.